The locals call it Mozio Atunya. The smoke that thunders. This has been the backdrop of our wildest Plus2Films adventure so far.
This is fucking wet, bro, but it's insane!
We started with some dancing lessons from the natives. The new generation had lessons for us too. We'll miss them, but they're in great hands that will help them make the world a better place.
Good, come on.
We will also miss our giant buddies. The small ones though, they can be quite naughty. It's just like a wonderful society with all its perks and quirks. Jason and Simone, thank you for inviting us here. This wedding was just wild, beautiful, and unforgettable. We do suspect that there was some alcohol in the beers though. With heavy eyes and hidden tears, we begin saying goodbye. The only comfort? We've got hours and hours of unbelievable footage that can take us straight back to Africa. Now, two wise men, not so far from here, shared a wise lesson one day. It means no worries for the rest of our days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Love. From Livingston, Zambia.